Happy Monday. Gosh, that chair is squeaky. It is Monday, January 8th. It has been 1 week of the new year. I stayed up last night a little bit later than I should have, but it's because I was editing my first like day in the life with me. It was supposed to be a week in the life with me, and then it was so incredibly long because on New Year's Day we got a ton done. So that ended up being its own separate video, and then I've got to get out the rest of the week. But I'm getting used to this format of videos. It's definitely interesting because some of it seems, and like I don't want it to feel like fake, because I feel like it's just like a FaceTime kind of thing, and I really like that, like just like what I'm usually doing. But the intros and outros are hard for me. So if you make this style of content, how do you make that feel not so weird? Like, hello, welcome, come spend the week with me. That, it just feels weird to me. But then also, like, if you don't know who I am, just starting like this also feels like I'm assuming that you know who I am. But happy Monday. I hope your week is going well when you're watching this. My computer won't turn on and I need to finish editing. But come spend the week with me. It's nighttime. I didn't do a whole lot today, but in a positive turn of events, I have work tomorrow, but it's remote. So I have a meeting at 11 and I don't really have a whole lot because it's a remote day because the weather's supposed to be really bad. Like there's a storm coming through. So we sent the kids home with work today, and then I don't have to go into school tomorrow, which is nice. So tomorrow on my agenda is to just be like an editing crazy person, because I put out a day in my life vlog. It has like 15 views, which I knew was gonna happen because we haven't posted in so long and it's like a different form, like content. But it's okay, we're gonna push through, keep on moving, see how it goes. I've been enjoying it, like I said, but I did go to the gym today, so it's Monday and I'm keeping up with my resolutions, so it's kind of like a check-in. I didn't scroll TikTok, I went to the gym, I ate healthy, I had vegetables, I washed my face. So far the 2020, I mean, it's the 8th, but the resolutions are going well. So tonight I'm gonna do my puzzle, keep working on that, and hopefully finish that. I mean, I have like 200 pieces out of 1,000 done, but that's what I wanna do, is do the puzzle. And I wanna read a lot of my book tomorrow because I wanna start a new book, but I have to finish this one first. And yeah. We're doing one of those TikToks, like if you know her, what would she choose? Okay, so Mamma Mia first. This one's easy.
Yeah, that one's easy. It's Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's, yeah. I'm not a hot girl walk girly.
No.
Okay, we have stemless wine glass, Roku City, 3 wicks candle, or follicular phase.
This one's tough between stemless wine glasses and 3-wick candles, so I'm gonna go 3-wick candles.
Yeah, when's the last time we used a stemless wine glass?
We used to, yeah. I forgot that we upgraded recently.
Yeah, we don't do that. So yeah. Okay, Seagulls for Finding Nemo, Lego Botanical, this one's easy. The Little Mouse from Littlest Pet Shop, and Emma Stone.
It's Emma Stone.
Yeah. The Waltz, Gossip, Italian Countryside, or Crab Rave.
It's Gossip.
Yeah, it is. I hate to admit that, but it is. But that was fun. Those are fun. We do those all the time. Like, we'll send them. And then, you know, like on TikTok, once you get into like an algorithm,
yeah, and then
it'll just get more and more. So hopefully get more weird ones.
Yeah.
Look on them.
Yeah, I liked having the weird ones.
Yeah, but like we'll do that together in bed for like 25 minutes sometimes.
Yeah, not anymore because we don't scroll in bed anymore.
That's true. But at least it's a together activity.
Yeah.
So it feels less.
Isn't that right, honey? We don't scroll in bed anymore?
I did. I did last night. But that's because I spent so long editing last night.
It's true.
But I've been so much better. And I thought about it today, that I was at home, but I wasn't, like, I didn't just immediately go on my phone, it's only been like a week, but like a week ago, I would have just picked up my phone and like went in a hole. And I just like the feeling to need to go on, like, isn't there.
Nice.
So it's good.
Nice.
Because I was getting a bad brain.
Okay, you TikTok brain.
Yeah.
Mushy TikTok brain.
I couldn't pay attention to anything. It was like scary. Like when I came to the realization, I was like, oh, like holy moly. No wonder kids can't pay attention to me when I teach. I can't pay attention to a movie. It's crazy. Happy Wednesday. It's 5 a.m. We're up, we're at 'em. We're headed to the gym. It's a good start to our day. It's cold, it's not raining. Woo, it has been a productive Wednesday. We went to the gym, we went to work, and we went to Costco. So I thought that I would show you a little Costco haul because we don't have a whole lot going on. This is the most interesting thing of our week, maybe. So some of these things we get every single week, and some are new. I just kind of was drawn to them. So I'll show you what we get at Costco. All of these groceries cost $173. We get a giant tub of fat-free, low-fat cottage cheese, a restock of bachins. If you haven't had this Japanese barbecue sauce, it's amazing. We always get 2 things of the Costco plain Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt. It's really good. I'm on an asparagus kick. It's my favorite vegetable, but that one's super good, so I got those. This is the turkey breast that I get, and then I just slice it as sandwich meat. It looks like this. And we have a lot left from this week, but this is good user freeze by March 4th. But there isn't, the only ingredients are turkey breast, turkey broth, and 2% or less of sea salt or sugar. It's just the way that it's packed. It stays good for a long time. And then we get this Jarlsberg light cheese because if you want to up your protein, 1 slice of this cheese is 50 calories, only and a lot of protein, 7 grams of protein. And then we get this, this Butterball all natural fresh ground turkey. If you're looking to make ground turkey, I don't suggest this, but if you're looking to make turkey meatballs, really good. Okay, next bag. Blueberries to go with the yogurt. They haven't had these in so long. The real good like chicken and pepper jack cheese burritos. Again, this is another one that we use as kind of like a exciting meal when we're eating healthy. These I've started doing bone broth in the morning, but these ones are like little packets, almost like a electrolyte packet, but it's just bone broth, and it has 10 grams of protein in it. And then these are new, Premier Protein cereal. Again, 20 grams of protein per cup. Really trying to hit that protein goal going to the gym. And then these I just found, and I can't eat eggs for breakfast, so breakfast sometimes it's hard for me. I usually just do the cottage cheese toast, but it's protein pancakes, and again, it's 15 grams of protein. It's not great for the amount of calories just because we're eating in a deficit with trying to hit a high protein amount, but I feel like they would be good, and then you can eat something else with a little more protein on the side. And then this is the bread that we get because, again, talking a lot about protein, but per slice, there's 4 grams of protein. So in the morning, I eat 2 slices of that, already 8 grams of protein. And then low-fat cottage cheese, you hit your protein super high. And then the last thing we got is a restock on the Kirkland almond milk. It doesn't taste very good. Like, it just kind of tastes plain, but it's a super low-calorie milk option, which is helpful and in line with our goals. So that's everything I got. I feel like it's pretty good. And I stayed on the list for the most part, but I don't know if that's interesting, but if you eat something, if you guys are watching your protein or trying to hit a lot of protein to keep you full and satiated for the gym, what is your favorite like go-to snack? We don't really snack anymore. I try to just eat meals, but oh, hold on. Everything but the bagel goes with my cottage cheese and toast. But yeah, what do you eat for like a high protein snack during the week? Because I kind of miss snacks a little bit. I've just been eating protein bars as snacks, so I would take any suggestions that you have. But that's what we got from Costco. Friday night, I don't really know if I would have added to this vlog. It poured rain. I had car line duty today at work. It was terrible, so we can only go up from here. And my wonderful husband bought me something the other day when we were laying in bed. It was so cute. So we were on Shop Disney. It just came in. Let's see it. It is an embroidered quarter zip. I ordered it like oversized. Oh, guys. It is so nice. It has like seersucker here. It felt like one of those things that like you'll have it forever and then your kids will have it. And it's like really soft and nice quality. I was a little bit worried about the zipper. It's so nice. And then the back has the same seersucker. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it. Okay, I threw it on. It has pockets. So hold on, let me put you down. I just threw on like bike shorts with it because the all blue like navy outfit wasn't doing it. But I like that it like fits oversized, but it's not loose at the bottom. So like it still looks fine down, but then I think you could just roll it like this. And the material is so nice. I ordered it in a 2XL. And I was telling Tommy, like I like where the shoulders hit. It's like a drop shoulder almost now. And then I hate when like it touches your armpits, because then if you get hot at all, I feel like your armpits just get sweaty. So I love it. And like I said, the quality seems like so nice. And it was like what, $60? I don't think it was like, I think I would expect this to be like $85. And I don't think it was. I think it was like 60. I love it. It has been a while. It's Saturday night now, the 13th. Making some dinner. We have a live tonight on YouTube with Brandon. Heidi is sick, so it's just gonna be the three of us. I'm sure you can hear the dishwasher running. But we went to see the Mean Girls musical. It was fine. I think that if you haven't seen the original, I think you'd really like that. If you're really into musicals, you'll really like it. But it was just, I think that I loved Mean Girls so much that just, I wanted the same feeling and I didn't get it. So we're just doing turkey meatballs. It's just 4 ingredients. It's ground turkey, Greek yogurt, panko breadcrumbs, and then seasoning. It's my go-to, like, at least once a week. We usually do it, that's like the dinner that we eat all week, and we just put it in different ways. But I'm making those, just rolling them into little balls now, just my hands are gross. And then at 8 o'clock, it's 6:38. At 8 o'clock, we'll go live, and it should be fun. We're set up for the live. We're in the studio. In the studio, entering our new drinks, our 0-calorie sparkling waters. All right, let's go see Brandon.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hey. Oh, fine.
Say hi. Poor little sick Heidi.
Oh, bye.